Hi guys, this is a late post and my memories at Sofitel Philippine Plaza and the luxurious buffet lunch and dinner. Bago kami pumasok, daan muna sa poolside and we found out na meron palang cat sanctuary. It started kasi marami raw pusa dyan and they feed them. So they decided to make a sanctuary, put it in an area wherein it's open for adoption. However, it's closed today. So we went over the pool area, maraming nagsiswimming para mahabol before mag-close ang Sofitel. Ayan, ang dami na ring tao. After that, we decided to go inside. Still closed pa rin ang Spiral Hotel. So we went at the lobby and found this porcelain Japanese store. Puro made in Japan yan. Meron din silang made in Italy porcelains. Okay, so since they will be closing, makikita nyo na raw sila doon sa City of Dreams if you want. Okay? Ayan. Buti na lang hindi ako nakabili kasi marami na akong collection. After that, I went down na. So, pinayagan akong pumasok mauna kasi sabi ko magva-vlog lang ako habang wala pang tao. So, the Spiral Restaurant is famous for its 21 dining atelier, lalong-lalo na yung kanyang lapis-ray or the cheese room. Okay? So, it has plenty of different international foods. Siyempre, may kasama rin Asian cuisine. Ang pinunta ko talaga dito is the Peking duck oven at saka yung kanilang lobster. Yun yung highlight. Hindi ko nakinain yung mga iba-iba. So, you can see this cheese ball cut into half. Yan nila minimix ang pasta if you want pagawa ka. Okay? So, ayan pa. Piniprepare pa nila. Nauna lang ako kasi pinapasok ako dahil nga magvo-vlog ako. But then, I'm so sorry to say na close na po ito ngayon. So, ito yung Japanese area. After the Japanese area, ito na yung seafoods. Ang pinaka-highlight nga nila, sabi ko sa iyo, ang pinunta ko lang, ay yung kanilang lobster. So, eto na yung mga seafoods nila. And, this is the lobster. O, diba? Yan lang, sulit na yung pinagbayad mo. Okay? Grabe, sulit talaga ang bayad. After which, I went to the Lapis-Ray, the cheese room. Oh my God, this is heaven. Sulit ang bayad mo dito. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa iyo, different kinds of cheese flavor. Andito na. Pwede mo lang iuwi lahat yan. Haha. Just get all you want and eat it. Okay? Since it's Father's Day, ayan, may pa-wine-wine pa. Cheers to my brother. Happy Father's Day, bro. Lastly, si Mamang Balot Pinoy. Ayan. Dami kong take home yan. Shh, magmaingay. Okay? Ciao!